Monster Trucks, a Halloween story for kids. Written by Anika Denise and illustrated by Wragg. On a spooky speedway, monster trucks moan. Monster trucks grumble. Monster trucks groan. Frankentruck is the first to arrive. With a jump of his cables, he's alive, he's alive. Werewolf Truck croons a gravelly tune, first a screech, then a growl, and a howl at the moon. Ow! Next up, Zombie Truck. Headlights glow green, dripping in diesel. He's cranky and mean. Then out of the shadows, Ghost Truck appears, rattling his axles and grinding his gears. Vampire Truck is toothsome and cruel. He waits for his victims and drinks down their fuel. Up goes the flag. Each rig takes its place, ready to rumble in the monster truck race. On a smoky speedway, monster trucks tow. Monster trucks rev. Monster trucks go. It's a monster mashup. Clang, boom, bash, bang. Every truck for himself by piston and fang. When out of the pit, with a putt and a toot, comes a little blue bus, looking perky and cute. On a mash-em-up speedway, monster trucks sneer, monster trucks snicker, monster trucks leer. The crackling monsters lick their chops for some lunch. She's a meal on wheels to this frightening bunch. I'm not scared, toots the little blue bus. Hope you monsters are hungry. You'll be eating my dust. Over rugged terrain with a heave and a hoe, and a spin of her tires and a ready, set, go. The little blue bus chugs down the track. She buries those monsters, and she doesn't look back. On a squealing speedway, monster trucks thrash. Monster trucks thunder. Monster trucks crash. Then up from the rubble, one truck burns a trail. He's mad and he's thirsty and hot on her tail. But the little blue bus has a trick up her hood. She slams on her brakes and locks him up good. Vampire Truck takes a bounce off the wall. Spun out and sputtering, he rose to a stall. Can you guess who's in front when the checkered flags fall? The little blue bus. She's got gumption and pluck. But how did she do it? Well, we'll just call it luck.